Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb tuck in and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb tuck in is to excitedly eat food because you enjoy this particular dish or because you are very hungry. The family have been on the road all day, but they are finally sitting down to their dinner. Quick everyone, tuck in before it goes cold. You don't need to tell me twice. The couple are nearly finished cooking. I can't wait to tuck into this. I'm so hungry. Meaning two of tuck in is to make sure someone is warm and comfortable in bed by covering them well. The parent tells their children it's time to go to bed. Okay, time to go to bed now. Go upstairs and get into bed and I'll be up in a few minutes to tuck you in. The child asks their mother, "Can you tuck me in? I'm a little cold." Meaning three of tuck in is to put the end of clothing under or behind another piece in order to make it neat and tidy. He makes sure he looks well before the nightclub. I'd better tuck my shirt in before I go out. The woman loves her new dress. Some people wear this tucked in with a belt, but I prefer it like this. So let's look back on what we covered. Tuck in can mean to excitedly eat food because you enjoy this particular dish, or because you are very hungry. It took me hours to cook the meal, so tuck in. To make someone warm and comfortable in bed by covering them well. I'll tuck the kids in, babe. You relax. To put the end of clothing under or behind another piece in order to make it neat and tidy. Tuck your top in. It looks messy hanging out. Where did you hear the phrasal verb tuck in? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.